Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to post a YouTube video on Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open a browser and type youtube.com and make sure to log in into your YouTube account or YouTube channel, and now tap on your profile icon and tap on YouTube Studio and zoom in and tap on contents, and now simply tap on the video which you want to post on your Instagram. Here you'll get a three dot icon, so all you have to do is just tap on that and tap on download. So that's how you need to download the video. Now open your Instagram app and tap on this plus icon, and now tap on the video which one you just downloaded from your YouTube and tap on next. Now you can edit your video. Now tap on next. So you can add here your caption, you can tag people, add location, then tap on share. And that's how we can post a YouTube video on Instagram. So if this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.